Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to use Bright to cut expenses without sacrificing fun. Cutting expenses doesn't mean that you have to give up on enjoying life. The key is smart spending. Start by reviewing your current spendings with Bright to see exactly where your money goes, especially on non-essential items. Look for ways to save on regular costs like cooking at home instead of eating out, using coupons, or taking advantage of free local events. Set a budget for fun activities and stick to it. You can enjoy yourself without having to overspend. Consider swapping pricey hobbies for more affordable alternatives or sharing costs with friends. Use bright spending alerts to keep track and avoid impulse buys. By prioritizing your spendings and finding creative ways to have fun, you can cut costs without feeling deprived. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.